Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty. Today is Wednesday, 6th of May 2020. This is our first lecture video for grade 3, and today we are starting unit 3, multiples and factors. Before starting the lecture, first you have to open your book on page number 12. Here we have first topic, rules of divisibility. So we will learn all the rules because it will help us determine whether a number is divisible by another number. So without actually carrying out the division process, let us have a look at different division tests. Okay, we have the first number 2. Which numbers can be divisible by 2? If the last digit is even, if the last digit is even, that number will be divisible by 2. What is even? If you see 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 in the last of the number, if you see 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in the last of the number, that number can be divisible by 2. What is the rule for 3? If the sum of the digits can be divisible by 3, if the sum of its digits can be divisible by 3. Sum of its digits mean, for example, we have a number 234. If we add this number, so 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5, 5 plus 4 which is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So this complete whole numbers can be divisible by 3. I think it is clear. Rule for 4 is if the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4, if the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4, divisible by 4. Again I am taking the same example, 234. The last 2 digit is 3 and 4, but it cannot comes in the table of 4, like 4 8s are 32 and 4 9s are 36. So 34 is not divisible by 4, so this number cannot be divisible by 4. If the number is 340, here the last 2 digits is 40. So 40 is divisible by 4. So this complete whole numbers can be divisible by 4. Okay, the rule for 5 is if the last digit is 0 or 5, that can be divisible by 5. For example, if we take 25, so the last digit is 5, it is divisible by 5, so this 25 can be divisible by 5. Next number is 6. The rule for 6 is exactly same like the rule of 3. If the sum of its digits can be divisible by 3. But we have an additional rule here, and that is if the number is even, if the number is even and its sum is divisible by 3. For example, if we take 36, so its last number is even and the sum of its digits can be divisible by 3, like 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so this 36 can be divisible by 6. I am explaining it again. The rule for 6 is same like the rule of 3, but we have one additional rule, and that is if the number is even and its sum is divisible by 3, so that number can be divisible by 6. The rule for 7 is that double the last digit, double, and subtract it from the rest of the number. After that, if its answer is divisible by 7, so the complete number will be divisible by 7. Let me take an example of 679. So as I am telling, double the last digit. So double of 9 is 18, and the rest of the number is 67. Subtract 18 from 67. Subtract 18 from 67. 9 and 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. The number will be 49. So 49 is divisible by 7. Then 679 will be divisible by 7. Okay, the rule for 8 is if the last 3 digits can be divisible by 8, that whole number will be divisible by 8. For example, if we take an example of 9264, so the last 3 digits is 2, 6 and 4 divided by 8. Okay, so 8 threes are 24, 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2, and 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0. The next number is 4. So 8 threes are 24. So 264 is divisible by 8. So this complete number will be divisible by 8. Okay, the rule for 9 is if the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. If the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Here we have question number 1, and that is 81 is divisible by dash and dash. So we have to find both of them. Check all of the rules which you learn. Okay, let me solve question number 1. $81 is divisible by box and box. We have to find both of the values. So starting from 2, if I explained already that if the last digit is even, so the last digit is 1, 1 is not even, it is not divisible by 2. Check it for 3. The rule for 3 was, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3, that number can be divisible. 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 3, so 81 is definitely divisible by 3. Write 3 in the first box. Next rule we have for 4 is, if the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4, and the last 2 digits is definitely 8, 1 and 8 plus 1, which is same like 81, so 81 is not comes in the table of 4. Next rule is 5. The last digits is not 0 or 5, it is not divisible by 5. Next one value we have to come 6. If the last digit is even and its sum is divisible by 3, so the last digit is not even, it is not divisible by 3. Okay, 7. The next value is 8. If the last 3 digits can be divisible by 8, so 81 cannot come in the table of 8. We have next number 9. If the sum of its digits can be divisible by 9, the sum of its digits we have already find it, which is equal to 9, and 9 is definitely divisible by 9. So 81 is divisible by 9. Okay, next question we have 96. So 96 is divisible by, we have to find all of them, all of that numbers. So starting from 2, the last digit is even, it comes in the table of 2, so 96 is definitely divisible by 2. We have to check it for 3. So we have to add both of the values, 9 plus 6, which is equal to 15. So 15 is also divisible by 3. So 96 is divisible by 3. The next value we have 4. So if the last 2 digits can be divisible by 4. So last 2 digits 96, and 96 is definitely divisible by 4 because 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 1, and 6 comes down, and 4 4s are 16. So 96 is divisible by 4. The next rule we have come 5. So the last digit is not 0 or 5, so 96 cannot be divisible by 5. The next value is 6. So if the last digit is even, 6 is definitely even, and the sum of its digits can be divisible by 3. So 9 plus 6, which is equal to 15, which is definitely divisible by 3. So 96 can be divisible by 6. The next value is 7. So if we double the last digit 6, 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12, and subtract it from the rest of the number, which is not possible. So 96 cannot be divisible by 7. The next value we have 8. If the last 3 digits can be divisible by 8, we have here just only 2 digits. We have to check it by 8. So 8 ones are 8, 9 minus 8 1, and 6 comes down, then 8 2s are 16, and 96 is divisible by 8. And this is your today's topic. As I solve question number A, B, and you have to solve the rest of the questions, and that is your assignment. Kindly pause your video here if you left your book in school, and take a snapshot from it, and you have to practice the rest of the question. Thank you so much.